All right, so I hope everything is clear in your previous two chapters. Now we are starting with the next chapter, that is chapter 5, Measures of Dispersion. This is chapter 5 from Nagar and Das.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry. I'll just share the screen, Jivansh. Thank you. I hope now it is visible, Jivansh and others.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are starting with the next chapter, chapter 5, Measures of Dispersion, Nagar and Das. Till now, in the previous chapter, we did measures of central tendency. ठीक है कि हम लोगों को एक स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा गिवन है और उसका हमको एक सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी या एवरेज निकालना है और वो सेंट्रल वैल्यू निकालने के लिए we did 5 alternate measures, that is mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Somebody is saying something? Yes, anything anybody wants to say?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Yeah, good morning.
मैम आज आप आओगे कॉलेज?
No, Yanish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, you just started.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, you just started, na?
तुषार आपका मुझे ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so we are starting with this chapter, measures of dispersion. We did measures of central tendency. Now, suppose that we are given a data where in the x variable is say that is there are 10 number of observations and these are the details of the observations. So what will be the mean for this? Arithmetic mean for this type of data will be? Guys, quick. What will be the
5.
5, right? Now suppose we are given another data, say 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 4, 8, 8, 2, 3. What will be the arithmetic mean for this data? Please quickly calculate and let me know.
5.
5. तो अर्थमेटिक मीन या हम लोगों की जो हमने अभी सेंट्रल टेंडेंसीज डिस्कस की हैं उसके हिसाब से तो हमारी दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सेम होनी चाहिए क्योंकि दोनों का अर्थमेटिक मीन 5 आया है. बट एज वी कैन सी the details, that is the statistical data, is not same. फर्स्ट वाले केस के अंदर हम लोगों की सारी वैल्यूज 5 है, वेयर एज सेकेंड केस के अंदर the values are different from 5. Therefore, only the knowledge of central value is never encouraged and it is not appreciated कि हम सिर्फ central value या जो average है उसके basis पे ये जो values हैं उनके बारे में उनके characteristic के बारे में कुछ comment करें. तो हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि इन इंडिविजुअल वैल्यूज में कितनी डिस्पैरिटी है, कितना वेरिएशन है, तो वो सारी चीजें कितना डिस्पर्जन है, तो उसके लिए वी नीड टू डू मेजर्स ऑफ डिस्पर्जन. इज इट क्लियर? Measures of dispersion, that what do we actually mean by dispersion? Is it clear? Then we will move on towards dispersions and the measures. If there is any doubt, please ask. So there are 4 alternative measures of dispersion that we will do. So I'll just quickly write down 4 points. What are the objectives of measures of dispersion? Why do we find out? So first is to find out the reliability of an average. Second is to control the variation of the data from the central value. Third, like we did in the example, to compare two or more to compare two or more sets of data regarding their variability. And fourth is to obtain other statistical measures for further analysis of data. If you want, you can quickly note this down. Understanding is important. Yes, Nikhil.
मैम ये सेंट्रल वैल्यू का मतलब क्या होता है?
बेटा मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी जो हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में की है, हमने एवरेज फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश की है जिसके अराउंड सारी वैल्यूज को क्लस्टर होना चाहिए.
ओके ओके.
Okay, so there are four alternate measures of dispersion that you have in your syllabus. So first is range. Second, we will be doing mean deviation or absolute deviation. I hope by now we all understand the meaning of dispersion and deviation. कितना हमारी variability है डाटा के अंदर. Next we will be doing standard deviation. And then fourth we'll be doing quartile deviation. So these are the four types of dispersion that we need to do. Range we have already discussed in first chapter, that is chapter 3 of Nagar and Das. So if we start with say range, so range is the difference between the मैक्सिमम वैल्यू एंड द मिनिमम वैल्यू। तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमारा डाटा किस रेंज में लाई कर रहा है। So, in this case, in case 1, the range will be 0, which means that all the data that is same. And here in case 2, the range will be 8 minus 2, that is 6. So हमारा जो difference है minimum और maximum value में, that is of 6 number. So this is how we find out range, and we can also find out the coefficient of range. So coefficient of range is x max, that is the maximum value, minus x min, that is the minimum value of x, divided by x maximum value plus x minimum value. By using this formula, we determine the coefficient of range. Shall I give you a question associated with range?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question says, calculate the range and the coefficient of range of A's monthly earnings of a year. So the data is given as month, and this is monthly earnings in 100 rupees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is given to be 139, 150, 151, 151, 157, 158, Piyush is joining so late. Okay, 160, 161, 162, 162, 173, and 175. Please calculate the range and the coefficient of range.
मैम
Yes.
थोड़ा सा zoom कर दोगे?
बेटा आप अपने एंड से जूम नहीं कर पा रहे हो? बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स अपने एंड से जूम कर लेते हैं, इस वजह से मैंने दोनों पेज ओपन किए हैं. टेल मी.
मेरे लैपटॉप से हो नहीं पा रहा है.
क्या कह रहे हो तुषार? योर ऑडियो इज नॉट क्लियर बेटा.
मैम मेरे लैपटॉप से हो नहीं पा रहा है.
आपके लैपटॉप से हो नहीं पा रहा है. इज इट फाइन नाउ?
मैम फॉर्मूला देखना था एक बार. या मैम फाइन, थैंक यू.
Yes, Anisha, range is 36. So since the income is given in hundreds, therefore we say that the range is 3600. What is coefficient of range? Please try to find out. Yes, 0.115 we can say. Right, right. Everybody is able to find this out? I hope there is no problem. Let us move on to the second measure of dispersion, that is mean deviation and absolute deviation. If anybody wants me to wait, you can let me know. Otherwise, I'm starting with the second part. So we are starting with mean deviation. So when we are calculating mean deviation, इसका मतलब कि हम ये देख रहे हैं हमारा कितना deviation है डाटा में from mean. So for what do we need to find out in this case? The formula is mean. Now mean deviation can be about mean, or mean deviation can be about median, or it can be about mode. So पहले मैं आपको इसमें बताती हूँ. Suppose here we are getting the arithmetic mean as 5. Now we want to find out कि हमारा कितना mean से ये x की values deviated है. That is, we want to find out x minus arithmetic mean. Okay, so हमारा arithmetic mean is 5, so this will be 4 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 5. So this will be minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, 3, minus 3 and minus 2. But since we also say, यहाँ पे हमने जैसे लिखा है ना mean deviation or absolute deviation, so we will take the mod values, that is x minus a. तो हम ये जो भी negative values है उसको हम avoid करते हैं. And then we put in the formula of mean deviation about mean as, can I rub this lower part? जो मैंने objective, but I need to upload your data. Okay, so मैं ऊपर लिख देती हूँ. So mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 by n summation of x minus arithmetic mean. तो फिर हम इन सब का summation करेंगे यहाँ पे. So that will be 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is coming to be 18. So it is equal to 1 divided by n कितना है हमारा 10 है into 18. So mean deviation about mean in this case is coming to be 1.8. But अगर हम केस 1 में सेम चीज करते हैं, that is x minus arithmetic mean, तो हमारी सारी वैल्यू 0 आएंगी. ठीक है, सारी वैल्यू 0 आएंगी, समेशन 0 आएगा. सो इस केस में हमारा मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन will be equal to 0. Is it clear? Any doubt? बेटा कोई डाउट है?
नो मैम.
अब ये हमने किया है फॉर,
कर सकते हो?
हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हो?
एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो मैम ये वाला?
कौन सा स्टेप समझ नहीं आया निशा आपको?
मैम हमने जो ये वैल्यूज आई हैं,
हाँ जी,
इनको ऐड कर दिया सिंपली.
हाँ जी, सिंपली ऐड किया है नेगेटिव साइन को हटा के, क्योंकि हम एब्सोल्यूट डिस्पर्जन देख रहे हैं. हमें तो ये मतलब है ना कि हमारा एक्स वैल्यूज कितनी डिफरेंट है मीन से. अब वो नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है उससे हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है. वी वांट टू नो डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है.
हम तो फिर ऐसे तो वैल्यूज हमने चेंज कर दी ना. -3 को हमने 3 ले लिया.
माइनस क्या?
जैसे अगर -3 है तो हम उसको 3 ले रहे हैं.
हाँ जी,
मैम तो
क्योंकि
फिर
चाहे हमारी वैल्यू ग्रेटर है या लोअर है अनीशा, डिफरेंस तो हमारा 3 का है ना. मीन से जो हमारी एक्स वैल्यू है वो 3 नंबर या तो आगे है या पीछे है, पर डिफरेंस तो 3 का आ रहा है ना.
यस मैम.
इसलिए हम एब्सोल्यूट डेविएशन लेते हैं यहाँ पे.
ओके मैम. ओके.
ओके अब जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे किया है मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन, उसी तरीके से हम मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन निकाल सकते हैं। तो जब हम फिर डिफरेंस लेंगे ना, जो हम एक्स वैल्यूज में अभी हमने अर्थमेटिक मीन का लिया है, वहां पे हम मीडियन का लेंगे। सो आई जस्ट राइट डाउन ऑल द फॉर्मूले हियर। सो दिस इज से फॉर एक सेकेंड, आई थिंक माई पेंसिल गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड अगेन। Okay. So here mean deviation about mean. So एक साइड में लिख रही हूँ अनग्रुप्ड का, ठीक है, दूसरी साइड आई राइट फॉर grouped. So the formula for this will be 1 divided by n summation of absolute deviation, that is x minus a. It is creating problem again. Aryan, you are again joining late बेटा। आपने कल भी लेट ज्वाइन किया था, आज भी आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया। Yesterday also you joined at the same time. Okay, so for grouped it is summation x. It is showing connected but नहीं हो रहा है। Okay, what I'll do is I'll just share my screen from laptop and I'll give you a question. Okay, till the time this thing gets resolved, so that we are utilizing our time. I'll write the question on Excel.
Man, can you repeat what you just said?
मैंने बोला कि क्योंकि मेरी पेंसिल अभी कनेक्ट नहीं हो रही है, तो फिर मैं लैपटॉप से आपको क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ ताकि आप टाइम यूज कर सकें, ठीक है। सो यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट, आई होप माई लैपटॉप स्क्रीन इज विजिबल। Calculate the mean deviation from mean for the following data. So we are given class interval and we
Mom,
are
screen
given,
is not visible.
बेटा स्क्रीन तो मैंने शेयर किया है, यहाँ से दिखा रहा है कि स्क्रीन इज विजिबल। आई विल शेयर अगेन। Is it visible now?
No, Mom, I think the problem is with my network.
बेटा others can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
आप पहले बता
Yes.
देते ना, चलो ठीक है। So now class interval. Next we are given frequency. So class interval is given as 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Oh, why is it coming like this? It is picking it up as dates. Okay, forget it. I'll give you another question of x. Okay. So say x value is given. So it is given as 3. Huh? यार ये क्या है? Can I share the question with you on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just sending the question on WhatsApp. Very good. My phone's battery is dead and my phone is off now. So I suppose आज
5 minutes वेट कर लेते हैं आपका
5 minutes में तो आपका वही नहीं यार इसमें प्रॉब्लम होती नहीं थी अभी 2-3 दिन से it was fine. Now again it is creating problem. Okay,
अब
now
आप
it's
दिखा लो
working.
सर्विस सेंटर में
Hmm?
एक बार आप दिखा लो सर्विस सेंटर में
Hmm. Okay, I'm sharing my screen again from iPad. So the formula is summation x minus a, and sorry, this is absolute deviation. I hope my screen is visible from iPad. And for grouped mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 by n summation f x minus arithmetic mean. You can write it down as m also. And if we are finding mean deviation, say about median, then it will be 1 by n summation x minus median. And suppose if we are finding it for grouped data, then it will be 1 by n summation f x minus median. Then if we are finding for mean deviation about mode, so this will be 1 by n summation x minus mode for the ungrouped and 1 by n summation f x minus mode. सो बेसिकली जो हमने अभी पीछे एग्जाम्पल में x माइनस ए फाइंड किया था उसके साथ हम फ्रीक्वेंसी को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि अभी जो हमने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व किया इसका मतलब इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है 1, बट अगर किसी की फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 है तो ये डिफरेंस हमारा डबल हो जाएगा ना, हमारा ये डिफरेंस डबल हो जाएगा, इसलिए हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना जरूरी है. आई होप द रीजन इज क्लियर. सो आई विल गिव यू अ क्वेश्चन. So the question says calculate the mean deviation about mean. So class interval is given to us 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. Frequency is given as 3, 4, 2, 1. Please try to find out mean deviation about mean for this. What are you saying, Dhruv? बेटा ज़्यादा लेंदी क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है. 2.78 Aryan. No Aryan, it is not 2.78. Radhika, just check your answer once. It's 1.48, not 1.38. So you have done some calculation error probably.
मैम 1.5 है.
1.48 है पीयूष.
Okay, ma'am.
Or yeah, you can say 1.5. Okay, for the students who are done, I'll give you another question. Calculate the mean deviation from median of the following distribution. So the data is given as class interval, that is 50 to 100, 100 to 150. Right. Okay, I've sent the question on the group. The last class interval is 300 to 350. Please check your WhatsApp. I hope everybody received. I hope you guys received the question on group.
नो मैम अभी तक तो नहीं आई. आ गया मैम.
Okay.
Got it, ma'am.
The last class interval is 300 to 350. Okay. You need to determine the mean deviation from median. Coefficient अभी मैंने कराया नहीं है. Just find out mean deviation from median. Frequency is given as 7, 18, 25, 31, 15 and 4. I've also written this question on screen. Till the time you are solving, I'll take your attendance. Aryan, please try to join on time from tomorrow, otherwise I'm not going to allow your entry.
Ma'am, actually, there was a network issue. I just got it fixed. So that's why I joined
I
late today.
understand that, Aryan, but your network issue is, as in there is a problem since 2 days and it is getting fixed about at the same time. So Aryan, please take care of that. Please try to resolve it. Anmol
ma'am,
is
I
trying
can
to enter
confirm.
right now and I'm denying his entry. Okay, so I'll just take your attendance. Please try to solve this question. Okay. Vibhuti, Sanjana Gehlot,
Present, ma'am.
Parveen Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Vinita, Gaurav Kumar, Anushka Bhardwaj,
Present, ma'am.
Anjali Bhisht,
Present, ma'am.
Radhika Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv, Devansh Gupta, Anisha Saxena,
Present, ma'am.
Vansh Dudeja,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Sidana,
Present, ma'am.
Shantanu Bhardwaj, Vivek Kumar, Kunal Sharma, Aditi Goyal,
Present, ma'am.
Karan Dhameja,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Sehgal, Yanish Luthra,
Present, ma'am.
Lavanya Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Vatsal Luma, Jevansh Khurana,
Present, ma'am.
Piyush Bajaj,
Present, ma'am.
Anisha Solanki,
Present, ma'am.
Jasgun Gaur,
Present.
Aditi Sharma,
Present,
Manya,
ma'am.
okay, Manya Chirag, Shruti Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Stavya Vahi, Manshu Solanki, Balram, Pushkar Garg, Aditya Nerun, Praful Pankaj, Naman Gupta, Sachin, Vishal Rana, Mayank, Aryan Manchanda,
Present, ma'am.
Karv Gupta, Tushar Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Jagrit Dhiman, Pallavi Rani, Abhishek Kumar, Mohammad Rashid Ansari, Mohit Singh, Ashish Samrani, Anmol Gaur, Tushar Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Adish Jain, Aditi Kohli.
Present, ma'am.
Any other new student whose name is not there?
Yes, ma'am. My name is in there.
Okay, you are
Ma'am,
Karan.
Karan. Yes, ma'am.
Karan,
Karan.
you are from which course? Regular course?
Eco honors, ma'am.
All right, Karan. Karan, please get yourself added in the WhatsApp group, and there is a description in that group. In the description, you have Excel sheet. Please fill your official email ID over there so that I can add you in the classroom and you can have a look at the syllabus and other uploaded chapters and the recordings. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Karan, what is your roll number?
Ma'am, I haven't been allotted that yet. I've contacted Harisa, so he said he'll be giving it to me in a few days.
Okay, let me know when you have it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, coming back to the question now. So, what is the answer? 257.25. Well, the answer is, ये आपने किसका आंसर बताया बेटा? This is your mean deviation about median, Radhika. It is coming to be 52.5. What is your median, Radhika?
I'm 200.
Yes, median is 200. So you can check your calculations thereafter. Mean deviation about median is 52.50.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, actually my PC has run out of battery. That's why I'm joining through another device. Please let me in.
Anmol, the attendance is already done, beta.
Ma'am, have you marked me present? I was
No,
there in the class.
You were there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I did not see you.
Ma'am, I was there. I can tell you what have you told us.
Okay, what did we discuss today?
Ma'am, measures of dispersions, its objectives, and then you asked us a question regarding range, how to calculate range and its coefficients.
Okay, Anmol. How did you get disconnect then?
Ma'am, my PC ran out of battery.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right, so better check your calculations after median.
Ma'am, I accidentally multiplied the difference with x instead of the frequency.
Okay. Yeah, that is why practice is important. Please try to solve. ओके क्या आप लोगों का आंसर आया? मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन 52.5. Yes, Radhika, Anmol, Karan, if you are solving, Tushar Gupta, Tushar Agarwal, Aditi Sharma, guys, are you solving?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done. What is your answer, Karan?
52.5.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
Jivansh.
I haven't finished it. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So we are not doing anything new now. Please finish this question and we will continue tomorrow. The same topic, we will solve few other questions associated with mean deviation, and then we will move towards standard deviation. Okay? Chalo. Take care, beta. Bye bye.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Yes.
ma'am, can you upload the previous recordings?
Yes, Piyush, I will upload.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye.